Here we are going to discuss some important points of assignment. So let's start. First we have prejudice. Prejudice, I think you all know, it's a negative attitude, wrong opinion toward a people or group of people belonging to particular caste, creed and religion. Creed means thinking. Then what is democracy? Democracy is defined as a government by the people, for the people and of the people. Such a government is made by people's elected representatives who govern the country for a fixed duration, means for 5 years. You all know, children, that India is a democratic country. Here we common people, we elect our representatives who stand for particular parties like Congress party, like BJP party. We elect them, we vote for them, and then they work for us. So that's why in democracy it is said that there is a government made by the people, made for the people and made of the people. Clear? Then we have two sections of society which still face discrimination, unfair treatment. These are scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. These are lower caste. Here people are not well educated and they are also poor. Next, the constitutional provisions to promote equality are: Constitution says that all have equal rights and opportunities. It says that there should be no discrimination on the grounds of caste, religion and color. Then all have equal job opportunities and all will get equal amount, equal salary for equal work, and untouchability is legally abolished. Means there is law against untouchability. We cannot call a person untouchable or achut. Now, stereotyping. What do you think? Stereotyping is a cause for backwardness? Yes, stereotyping, which means a fixed image for someone. The image which is not the correct one. It is a fixed notion, it is a fixed image. We think in our mind that the things are like this only, it cannot be different. So yes, that is a big reason for backwardness, because stereotype, that certain notion, that biased notion, it hinders the progress of the backward class of our society, because it doesn't let us think positively about those people, and that's why we hinder their interest. We create disturbances in the interest of those people and the people who are discriminated. For example, let's understand it through an example. Many women are deprived education. Many women are not allowed to get education and a chance to get good jobs, because it is considered like they have to do only family duties. They have to take care of the family, they have to bring up children, they have to do household chores, they have to wash the utensils, all these things, and that's why they fail to get that self-respect and they get demoralized also. Next, children, how education helps in dealing with the problem of discrimination. Education plays a very important role in removing the problem of discrimination. Discrimination means the unfair treatment, the wrong treatment. How it helps? Like through education, you are able to achieve good position in society. When you are on a good job, when you have a good position, good status, you are rich, you have power, then you will not be discriminated in society. And in this way, education empowers you, education enables you to be on a good position in society, and the knowledge and respect of rights that students gain from education can empower them to deal with those negative opinion and those wrong treatments. The next, are diversity and inequality same? No. Diversity and inequality are not same. Diversity is created due to geographical factors, means the factors which are based on locations. Like the people of Haryana are different from the people of Maharashtra, because there is difference in the region, there is difference in the space, in the locality, and whereas the inequality, it is done on the basis of man-made factors. It is done on the basis of caste system. So, and it is the diversity of India which enrich our culture, so we should respect our diversity. But sometimes people think that those who are different from us, those whose food habits, their dressing sense, their religion, their custom, their beliefs are different from us, are inferior to us. So it shouldn't be there because it gives rise to inequality. I believe now your all doubts are clear, children. Thank you.